Join us as we explore the enigmatic Sombrero Galaxy, M104. This massive neighbor, 28 million light-years away, boasts a black hole and prominent bulge. As a heavily studied galaxy, M104 offers captivating discoveries. This video unravels its unique features and latest research, revealing the secrets of this celestial wonder. A giant black hole, weighing 1 billion suns, resides in the Sombrero Galaxy's heart. Astronomers study it to understand its formation and impact on the galaxy's evolution. They found the black hole influences the galaxy's gas movement, either by absorbing it or by generating energy-driven outflows. Recent research suggests a link between the black hole's mass and the bulge's properties, like luminosity and velocity dispersion. The Sombrero Galaxy's halo, which is a spherical region surrounding the galactic disk, has been found to be strikingly metal-rich. With a high abundance of heavy elements such as iron and magnesium. This discovery has led astronomers to revise their theories on galaxy formation and evolution, as it challenges the conventional understanding that heavy elements are primarily produced during supernova explosions of massive stars. Instead, it suggests that metal enrichment can also occur through the accretion of gas from the intergalactic medium. Using observations from Herschel, ALMA, and Muse telescopes, astronomers have found a molecular gas ring hidden in the Sombrero Galaxy. This discovery has shed new light on the galaxy's gas dynamics, suggesting that the gas ring is part of a larger gas disk that is rotating around the galaxy's central bulge. This disk is thought to be feeding gas to the black hole at the galaxy's center, fueling its activity. Studies on the X-ray emission from the Sombrero Galaxy have revealed the presence of discrete sources, likely accreting neutron stars or black holes. Additionally, galactic-scale outflow has also been observed, which is thought to be driven by the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center. These findings have provided astronomers with a better understanding of the galaxy's overall dynamics and the role of the black hole in shaping its evolution. New kinematic data has revealed the presence of a central mass concentration in the Sombrero Galaxy. This is thought to be indicative of the presence of a supermassive black hole, with a mass estimated to be around 1 million solar masses. Studies on the accretion onto this black hole have revealed that it is a low-luminosity active galactic nucleus, with a linear low-ionization nuclear emission line region classification. In conclusion, the Sombrero Galaxy is a fascinating object of study for astronomers, with its massive black hole and bulging halo providing unique insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this incredible galaxy. Thank you for watching.